cook buttered shrimps with vegetables. And I have the shrimp, it's already been washed. I have the red bell pepper and sweet onion, and then garlic, and then carrots, and I have a cabbage I need to chop. And then I need to have the pepper and a salt and a soy sauce. And I need to have a butter. I put the vegetable oil a little bit in the pan. Okay, I need to put the garlic. I need to put the garlic. Smells so good. Onion and garlic, very healthy. I need to put the red bell pepper. We have the burger there cooking. Next, I need to put the carrots. And all of these vegetables is already washed. Okay, next I need to put the shrimp. Looks delicious. I put butter, melted it. Then I put the cabbage. Chop and wash. I need to mix it. Need to put a little bit calamansi soy sauce. Just a little bit. I have this Kikkoman stir-fry sauce. I found this in Safeways. So I've been using this and I love it. So I need to put this here. Not very much. I just eyeball it. Ingredients is soy sauce, water, soybeans, wheat, salt, sugar, water, cornstarch, wine, vinegar, garlic powder, dehydrated oyster extract. So those are the ingredients. Sodium, so that it's really good. So this time we need to add the pepper. And then salt. Just a little bit salt because there's already soy sauce on it. And you need to stir it. And this is done. It's ready to eat with the rice. So here's the vegetable shrimp, garlic butter vegetable shrimp. It's very delicious. This is carrots. It's very tender. So yummy. I love it. And thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye.